Hello everyone. Today let's see how to delete empty rows in Excel sheet using UiPath Studio. I have explained in details about the Excel application scope activity and some other Excel activities on my channel. So, make sure to check those out. I have created a sequence and made it as the start node by attaching it with the start. Now, double-click on the created sequence. Drag and drop the Excel application scope activity and browse for the particular file from the File Explorer. Next, drag and drop Send Hotkey activity and check the Control checkbox and press G as the key to open the Go to window in Excel. Click on Indicate on screen and select any cell of the Excel sheet. Drag and drop Click activity. Make sure to keep the Go to dialog box open in Excel sheet. Click on Indicate on screen. As you can see, we are not able to select the special button. We will use Image Region Selection and draw a box around the button to select it. Drag and drop Click activity. Click on Indicate on screen. Using Image Region Selection again, draw a box around blank's radio button. Drag and drop one more Click activity to select the Enter button using Image Region Selection. You can also use F3 to select this feature. Drag and drop Send Hotkey activity. Click on Indicate on screen and select any cell of the Excel sheet. Check the Control checkbox and type minus as the key to open Delete window in Excel. Perform the same activity in Excel. Drag and drop Click activity. Click on Indicate on screen. Select Entire Row option. Drag and drop another Click activity to select the OK button. Finally, to save the changes, drag and drop another Send Hotkey activity. So, here a tip: if click on Indicate on screen and some other window or screen appears, then you can pause the selection process by 5 seconds by simply pressing F2. Now select any cell of the Excel sheet. Check the Control checkbox and press S as the key to save the Excel sheet. Click on Run File from Debug File drop-down. As you saw, the process executed appropriately. If you found this video informative, make sure to subscribe this channel.